Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Premium automobile engineering and the growing need for opulent mobile living spaces are conceptually combined in the upcoming 2026 BMW Motorhome Caravan. A thorough description of this possible car is made possible by well-informed estimates based on BMW's proven design principles and technical breakthroughs, even though specifics are still up for discussion. The 2026 BMW Motorhome Caravan's exterior would probably feature the brand's distinctive design language, which is defined by streamlined lines, aerodynamic shapes, and an elegant yet commanding posture. To ensure maximum visibility and a unique visual signature, the car may include adaptable LED lighting systems with laser high beams that integrate the trademark kidney grille as the main focus point. In keeping with BMW's dedication to effective dynamics, the body design would probably place a premium on lightweight yet durable materials, possibly combining high-strength aluminum alloys and carbon fiber reinforced plastics. Integrated, electrically controlled awnings would allow the living area to be seamlessly extended outside, and flush-fitting panoramic windows may provide wide vistas while keeping a sleek appearance. Such a car's drivetrain would surely benefit from BMW's experience with cutting-edge engine technology, maybe including a high-performance hybrid or all-electric motor. This would be consistent with BMW's continuous electrification goal and the global trend towards sustainable mobility. Power consumption for onboard living facilities and driving would be optimized via an efficient energy management system, which might include high-capacity battery storage and regenerative braking. The seamless integration of cutting-edge driver assistance technologies, such as automated parking features, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and lane keeping assistance, would improve convenience and safety on long trips. The 2026 BMW Motorhome Caravan's interior is a showcase for opulent practicality and fine craftsmanship. An atmosphere of sophisticated elegance would be produced by using high-end materials such as brushed metal accents, with veneers obtained sustainably, and exquisite leather furniture. The design would probably be flexible and modular, making the most use of available space and providing a range of living arrangements. To accommodate culinary demands while on the go, a fully furnished kitchenette with integrated storage options, a silent refrigerator, and induction cooking would be ideal. Comfort and peace of mind would be given first priority in the sleeping quarters, which might include beds that can be adjusted electronically and ambient lighting. Entertainment and connectivity would be provided by a cutting-edge infotainment system including a huge, high-resolution touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, and high-end music. Everywhere in the living area, climate control would be individually adjustable, guaranteeing maximum comfort in a range of climatic circumstances. Additionally, it is anticipated that the 2026 BMW Motorhome Caravan would have sophisticated connectivity technologies that enable its occupants to remotely monitor and operate a variety of vehicle operations using a specific mobile application. This can entail controlling energy usage, modifying climate settings, and getting access to real-time car diagnostics. In order to protect residents and their possessions, sophisticated security measures would also be essential. To appeal to a select clientele seeking unmatched independence and sophistication in their travels, the general design philosophy would endeavor to seamlessly blend the dynamic driving experience that is synonymous with BMW with the opulent comfort of a high-end mobile living space.